Hi, this is Mbongeni Ngema, creator producer of Sarafina. Hey, enjoy that. Light up the sky like a flame. People must remember my name. I wanted people to remember my name.
I don't think we'll ever forget.
Mbongeni Ngema, a South African playwright and composer, left a profound mark on both arts and society. Born in 1955, his works, particularly the iconic musical Sarafina, resonated deeply with South Africans during the struggle against apartheid. Through music and theatre, Ngema captured the yearning for freedom, the injustices faced, and the resilience of the people. His impact went beyond national borders. Ngema's plays, like Woza Albert and Asina Mali, with their powerful narratives and cultural richness, found acclaim on international stages. They not only entertained, but they also sparked dialogue and understanding, bridging cultural gaps and building empathy.
I'm so proud of your work. We have been talking about you while we were in prison, and we have been very moved by what you've done for the country. And I will never forget that. That was a special moment for me.
Ngema's dedication to using arts for social change left a lasting legacy. He saw theatre as a platform for education, empowerment, and transformation.
You know, with a bit of luck. Because luck just doesn't come to you. If you're just stationary and doing nothing, it will not come to you.
His works challenged the status quo, ignited conversations, and helped shape a more just and equitable society. While his physical presence is no more, the echo of his melodies and influence through his plays continues to inspire.
I know that the world had highly publicized 1976, but 1985 was as bad as 1976 throughout South Africa. I went home, I started jotting some notes down, but the main thing, somehow I felt like it can't continue like this, freedom has to come. But the main theme of what I was drafting was around freedom is coming tomorrow. I went to my piano and I started writing the song.
Ngema's story reminds us of the power of art to speak truth, connect communities, and drive positive change. He was a testament of the fact that even a single voice, imbued with passion and creativity, can leave an indelible mark on the world.
Carry on with my calling, and it's a calling I can't stop even to this day.
Rest in peace, Mbongeni Ngema. Your legacy will live on forever.